Okay, I just painted this door on this Impala, so I need to transfer these trim panels from the old door to the new door. The trim panel, this piece, I need to do the door handle and the window. Show you how to do this door handle first and then the window. Window is tinted, that's why I need to change it. So I got this door off already. This is the old door. It's got the dent in it. Like I said, I need to transfer these pink pieces. Probably this whole door panel, this piece, probably the weather strip in the window. I got it flipped over so I can take this panel off. I'm gonna start with taking this little panel off right here. That out. This one gotta come out too. So we got a 9/32 and 9/32. Take those out. Out and carefully take this out here. Just pluck out the sides. Ouch. Gotta come out. Disconnect this harness here. We got another 9/32 right here. Got 3 screws. This is here. Finish separating the panel. That. Shove this up. Shove this panel up. So you got these little clips here. You want to get these separated. So usually you'll pop it out from here like that. That should come off. All you got left is, well, I guess it's already off. Disconnect this from here. Take the little, you push this in, you pull back and disconnect the ball from here. It's already disconnected. That panel is separated. Go to the side because I got to use it. And take this piece off here. Clip remover behind there, pop it loose. Move that cover out the way completely. Then this here has to come off. Okay. And if you get some light, you pull this back. Where's that light wash? I see it. Stick some light in here. You can see that it's a tiny bolt right there. If you can see with the camera, it's a tiny bolt with that access hole. It's a Torx or 9/32. So the same 9/32 you used to take the other parts off with. Stick it in there. Counterclockwise. You gotta be careful with this bolt because it will fall in the door. Some cars, they stay on, some of them don't. And this one will. I know it's a bit different because the door is off, but gravity will make that bolt fall down. When you go on the other side, pull that piece off. As you can see here, pull that off. Then you pull back on the handle and out. That pulls that out. That's the door handle.